Where does the name for Deiniolen come from? So today I'm in Gwynedd and this village behind me is called Deiniolen. Let's get into the name. The name Deiniolen is made of two parts. Deiniol, which is the name of a saint, and en, which is a diminutive suffix, which here likely means the son of, so literally little Deiniol. Now what do we know about Deiniolen? Well, he was likely the son of Saint Deiniol, the first bishop of Bangor and also Bangor's Coed. He may have been one of 6 people who Saint Beuno supposedly raised from the dead after they drowned, and the same saint as Llandaniel Fab in Anglesey. It's also possible he was a disciple of Saint Cubby of Caergybi, Holyhead. There's another theory, based on a mention by Lewis Morris who called them Deiniolen Santes, implying Deiniolen was a woman, but I couldn't find anything further on it. The original village name was Llanbabo, after a village in Anglesey, which was named after Saint Babo, who founded a settlement there. It was called that because when the village was first made to house workers in the nearby Dinorwig quarry, many workers came from Llanbabo. For a while the village was named Ebenezer, after a chapel in the village. Like many chapels, it was named after a place in the Bible, here Eben ha-Ezer, Eben being an Aramaic word for a rock, ha meaning the, so of the, and Ezer meaning aid or help, so the stone of the help. In the 1920s, after a campaign led by the politician Hugh Robert Jones, the village adopted its current name of Deiniolen, as there was a trend to move away from old chapel names. This name came from the name of the parish of the area, Llandeiniolen, named after the saint. So the name literally means the son of Saint Deiniol. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest to explain every place name in Wales, and a couple outside of it as well sometimes, you can on my Patreon, the link's in my bio. Diolch, have a good one.